Intraday Strategies for beginner traders on September 19. Back forecast Intraday Strategies for beginner traders on September 19. The US dollar quickly regained. The premium article will be available in 000019.09.2025810 a.m. The premium article will be available in 000019.09.2025810 a.m. The US dollar quickly regained the upper hand, indicating the presence of major buyers in the market even though the Federal Reserve cut interest rates the previous day. Apparently, without a good correction in risk assets, another move to the upside will be hard to achieve. Strong Philadelphia manufacturing index numbers gave the dollar a boost. Traders, encouraged by the unexpectedly high readings, rushed to buy the US currency, viewing it as a sign of strengthening in the US economy. The fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.